Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybees. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. Today, this is March 14th. We're in Mississippi and we're going to pull some grass today. See what they look like. Give a look at the grafted cells. You got to be careful not to shake these. I usually just take my feather kind of rake some of the bees off so I don't have to fight all of them. Put that lid back on. Typically, you get Brian to hold that frame right there. Back it up. So we got a block of wood here. We're just going to go reach in here and pull them. That boy pushed out. Hey, can you hold that? Can you hold the frame? Okay. Queen cell. Be real gentle, just stick them right in there. Here's how you tell good if the queen is fed up good. If you can see in this cup, that is full, all the way full with royal jelly. It's capped. If they had plenty of bees, that queen would be a nice queen. Sometimes these bees don't like you stealing their queens. They got to give them up. Every once in a while, you get them draw a funky cell like that. Look how long that is. 2.5 inches long. I throw them away. They might make a queen, but they usually don't. They're usually worthless. Throw them away. When you're getting your queen cells out, you want to try not to keep them out of the sun. box ain't got a handle on it.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, we're going to take these. I'm trying to hold this with the tripod. See if you can see. You can probably see, but I can't because of the sun. There. Got an incubator right here. I just open the incubator up. Lay a towel. Here's my piece of foam. I set them on so they don't bounce when we're driving. Set ourselves in there just like that. Now they won't get chilled. And we'll take it and show you how we put them in here in a minute. Spread that forward. Got you. Next one you'll be able to see the feeders in the way. Just spread the frame apart a little bit, all you do. There may be more glue on the other side. We'll just put it up here. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. And then we put a tack in them and see what kind of clean it. And just come up here and put a tack in it. That tells me now, some of these videos will be just rough footage because I'm down here working. I think we got a lot to get done. Just kind of show you how it goes. Thanks for watching.